Hello friends! Welcome back to Trend Tech Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to save your TikTok drafts to your camera roll without posting them. First, open the TikTok app and go to the Drafts folder in your profile. Tap on the draft you want to save. Here, instead of publishing, tap on Privacy and set it to Only Me. Now tap Post, and TikTok will save the video privately to your account. Next, open the drafted video, tap the share icon, and select Save Video. This will save your draft directly to your camera roll. This way you can keep your creative videos offline without posting them publicly.